Hi,
I'm Melissa Neal.
and I'm Taylor Ratowski.
With the Pampered Chef.
Yes.
We thought we would show y'all tonight a really easy meal to cook for a family. Coconut chicken curry. Some families like more spicy, some families like less spicy, but it's really easy to just sort of adjust it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curry paste.
Okay, so we've got some of our ingredients here.
We did, and we're gonna put some of our ingredients in this, and then we'll save a lot of our ingredients to actually put in the coconut curry, so you have like rich vegetables with it.
Yeah, so this is our manual food processor.
Yes. So the way it works is just 3 pieces. It's really great because you actually have a lid, so you can store this for anything that you don't use, and it has this grip on the bottom so it doesn't move while you're using it. So we'll get started. So we're gonna put chopped onions first. All right. And then,
jalapenos too?
yes, we want jalapenos. And then we will throw in some garlics in here. We'll save some to put in the curry. Okay, this is ginger root. So for those of you who don't know what ginger root looks like fresh,
Got it right here.
that's right. Yeah, and the way that you would prep that is you would break off a piece that you want, and then you would actually peel it with a spoon, the back of a spoon, so it keeps it really light. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so we're gonna take some cilantro because it goes really good with curry. We'll just break some of that off into it. Well, let's get some more.
Yeah, I really like cilantro.
Me too, although some people think it tastes like soap.
Okay.
Okay, and then also we're gonna wanna add some oil into this.
Yeah, just
So-
to make it kind of tasty.
That's right.
Oh,
So
I
I'm
love
just
this.
gonna pour, yeah, thanks. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of oil into there. Okay, Taylor, do you wanna do the honor?
Sure.
Can you unlock it and just open it up there? And one of the things that I've noticed with this is when I was using an electronic food processor, I would kind of have to stop often to scrape down the sides and really get everything like still mixed in. And that doesn't happen with this. This is a really, really great tool. It's very simple and it works great. And I think the fact that it's not electronic is a huge plus for me because dealing with quarters with small kids, and which is myself,
Yeah.
it's always like hitting food, getting caught in something, getting stuck. So chicken curry, coconut curries, any curries are all about spices. They have tons and tons and tons of spices. So if you like a lot of spice, you can spice up as much as you want. If you want it spicier, you would use the spicier spices. So for us, we like a lot of spice. You also can just buy a bottle of curry powder.
Right. Yeah.
And then that's it, and you're done, which is pretty awesome. So you don't have to actually even make curry paste if you don't want to. You could just throw in some ingredients, throw in some coconut milk and chicken broth, which we'll get to, and some just straight up curry powder that's already made.
So we're just gonna set this aside. Right now, to scoop it out, I'm using the mix-in scraper. This is the small one.
It's such a good tool.
Yeah, it's so great. It's
This is actually the medium one.
the medium one?
Yeah.
Okay,
But-
so it's made out of nylon. Go
Yeah.
ahead.
No, I mean, I use it like literally every day. It's
Yeah.
dishwasher safe, which is great. And it can withstand really high heat, so I'll use it to like scramble eggs, but of course I'll also use it for baking, so. Okay, so we are gonna be using the Pampered Chef Quick Cooker because it is so easy and convenient to use. So we have just started onto the sear portion of it, which is over here. And that's gonna get it really hot on the bottom, just like a pan you would cook with on the stove. So we're gonna heat up the curry paste we made a little bit, and we're also gonna cook the onions a little bit. Then we'll put in all our stuff and we'll pressurize it.
Okay, are we ready to put it in?
We're ready. Oh, and I cleaned the
Mix-in
spoon.
scraper. So we
Yeah.
can go in just like that. Great.
Perfect. Okay, this has been going for a couple minutes and stirring, so the garlic in it is more cooked. So we are gonna go ahead and put in the onion to just kind of get that a little translucent, and then you'll know that it's ready for the next part about the quick cooker is that you do not have to thaw meat out or really plan what you're doing.
Right.
So we're doing all this fancy stuff with fresh stuff, and you know, we're chopping it up and we're making paste. You don't have to do that. So this is frozen meat that we're using to show you, because once we put it in there, it'll thaw out really fast.
Right.
Okay, so
Right, and we've got fresh veggies, so we just want to pour it right on top.
yeah, okay.
And you can also use frozen vegetables too.
We are gonna go ahead and start opening some coconut milk. Pampered Chef can opener, and it's so great because it has a magnet in it, and it leaves you no sharp edges. You literally just put it on, and then you just start going. So,
And then the lid just comes off with it.
yeah, it just comes off with it. And then what's huge about it, is that there's no sharp edges. Like, that's such a big deal.
Yeah.
Especially when you have small kids in the house.
Wow. That was super easy to use.
Right. Pull that to get your can off. So 1 chicken stock. And depending on, you know, who you're cooking for, how much you're cooking, we're cooking really large portions. You don't have to cook huge portions. Open, close. It's really easy to put on. So I can show you how to put it on to pressure. So you just hit custom. And then you just
Go over to see if it's
go over to what you want. Yeah, we should be just okay. And then we're gonna just hit start. And that's literally all you do. And so there's an indicator up here that'll let us know it's pressurized. And now we just hang out and wait. Hi! All right, so it finished.
Yeah, that was like no time at all.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm so ready to try this. Seasoning.
It smells so good.
Yeah, it smells amazing. It's
Okay, so the chicken that was completely frozen when we put it in is cooked through. And now it's literally just fall apart.
Yeah,
So we can just shred the meat really easy with a fork. Or you can even get the meat shredder from Pampered Chef, which is just really fast. Make it go really fast. And then the rice over here, we use the Rock Dutch oven to make the rice. And it's perfect. The Dutch oven is awesome. You can use Rocks for literally anything. You think that you'd only use it like on a grill or something, but I use it all the time to cook with, just like I would with any other pot or pan.
So we're just gonna pull all the chicken out.
Yeah.
And we are going to show you these really cool.
They're usually used for salad. That's kind of how they're marketed, but they're actually great for cutting up meat.
Right.
And you know, a lot of other things too. But they basically have 2 blades, and they're really durable and really easy to use. So especially when you've already pressurized meat, so it's like these big, soft chunks of meat, you literally can just come in. Here, I'm gonna watch.
Shredded chicken with the quick cooker too.
Or pork or beef or anything.
Right. I think that's pretty good.
That's good.
Oh, I love it. It's so warm. Like the spices are just super
really
warm,
good?
and yeah, the kick is in the back of the throat. It's delicious. I love it so much.